Those under the age of 30 probably won't remember the original Alpine A110, but like the original, this new model is a very bespoke and exclusive vehicle. It's not based on any other car. Instead, it's a ground-up build featuring a mostly aluminium construction and some Renault parts. The design is all unique, albeit heavily inspired by the classic. A short and low nose hints at its mid-engine configuration, with a fat rear end providing a dominant stance on the road. This example here is the Premier Edition, which comes with rigid Seibelt bucket seats, Fuchs alloy wheels, and plenty of carbon fibre trimmings inside. The cabin is pretty sparse, with only the essentials presented, although there is a comprehensive touchscreen media interface with sat-nav and climate control. There is some boot space, but it's divided between a shallow container under the bonnet and a petite boot at the back behind the engine. Power comes from a 1.8 litre turbo 4-cylinder. It's actually a retuned Megane RS engine producing 185 kilowatts. This is what it goes like.